So it's perfect if you guys are planning on having a party and it's somebody's birthday. These are so easy to make and so convenient to have. Hola amigos y amigas, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Jackie and welcome. So hey guys, I'm just doing a continuation of my last vlog. I did do a vlog where I showed you guys everything that I bought for El Dia de los Muertos theme party. I got a few more things to show you guys, and then we're gonna build a number marquee from Amazon. First, there's this tablecloth. It is a cute Dia de los Muertos round tablecloth. It's going to be perfect for the party. I just got a notification that my Amazon is in my mailbox. It is dark outside, so I'm going to have to go outside to grab it. It is really, really late, guys. I'm always doing my vlogs late at night now because my baby's sleeping, but let's go get this packet. I got the packet. Now let's go back inside. So I'm gonna open this packet, and in this packet, guys, I have my bows. They're bow ties for my chairs, and I also got this awesome backdrop that I've been wanting to show you guys. It is so beautiful, and this backdrop is gonna be to decorate my candy table. It's going to tie in perfectly with my patio. If you guys haven't checked out that video, go check it out, guys. This is beautiful for a Dia de los Muertos theme party. Before I move on, let me show you guys really quick these red flowers. I got these at Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to use these to decorate my backdrop along with this set of black balloons. And also, let me show you guys, this is just a black backdrop that I'm going to be using for that. But now, guys, what you guys all came for, let's start working on the number marquee. I got this number from Amazon. It is the number 17. So I bought a number 1 and a number 7. They comes with the light bulbs. I bought the glue and the gun separately at Hobby Lobby as well. And we're gonna prep our gun and our glue really quickly, and we're gonna start working on this number. Okay guys, so here's the number 1. I did take out all these dots out already. You're supposed to just poke them out, and this is where your light bulbs are going to go. So I did that already, and now I'm just gonna set this number 1 down on the table or on the floor, wherever you guys feel more comfortable. And it's just like a puzzle piece. We're gonna start putting the borders around the number 1, and we're just gonna set them out. It's fairly easy to figure out what goes where, but if for some reason you guys are having a hard time, make sure that you guys read the instructions. But this is the layout. Excuse my dishes over here. I didn't want to waste more time on moving those. I just wanted to finish this number. But yes, guys, so it makes it really, really easy. You just border around the number 1, and then you start to glue the border around it. And here I am just gluing and making sure I stabilize the borders around the number to make it a 3D number. So here I'm just securing it with the glue. You guys could use as much glue as you need. Just make sure that you're being generous. That way it doesn't fall apart later. I had finally glued all my borders, and then guys, looking at my number while showing you guys, I just realized I messed up. I totally glued the numbers the wrong way because it's supposed to look the other way. You want to make sure that it's 3D, but that it's facing you. So I don't know if it's a little confusing, but I need it to be the total opposite of how I did it. So I'm just gonna start flipping everything over and try to save my number 1 because I did use a lot of glue, and now I have to take it apart. Yes, I have to undo it all, and you guys know that that glue works really good. So now it's gonna be really hard not to mess it up, but I'm gonna try my best. And I'm also using a knife because I need something really sharp. so that I am able to take off the glue without ripping the actual cardboard. So yes guys, I totally messed up. I put the borders the wrong way, facing the wrong way. So now I'm just gonna flip everything over like I said, and let's hope that it works out. So I was able to figure it out, guys. I flipped all the borders and now it's facing me, and the side that is facing me is the deep side, because that's where you're going to put your light bulbs, and it's going to look awesome and beautiful facing me instead of the other way how I had it. It was backwards. So now we have it the correct way, and now we're going to start adding the light bulbs and start to decorate it. So here are all the light bulbs, and earlier I told you guys to not read the instructions unless you were having a hard time, but make sure you guys are reading the instructions all the way. That way you guys don't mess up like I did. First, we're gonna make sure we put some batteries in here. We're gonna make sure that the light bulbs actually work. I don't wanna put them on and then it turns out that they don't work. So always make sure that your light bulbs work before installing them onto your cardboard. These will take AA batteries, and it's 3 batteries. So let's see if it works. They're perfect. All the light bulbs are working. So now we're gonna go ahead and start installing them onto our number. This should be very easy, guys. You just unscrew the light bulb and then you take it from the very end of the wire and you start at the very top, and then you're just going to start screwing each light bulb into the wire, and you're just going to follow the wire all the way down until you get to the bottom of the number. At the very bottom, it gets a little tricky with the wires, but it's super easy to figure out. Just make sure they're not tangled and everything should work out. But I'm all done. The number 1 is set. My light bulbs are in. Everything's working. And I forgot to let you guys know this is a 3 feet number 1, and they also have a 4 foot, and I don't know if they have any bigger, but this one that I bought is 3 feet. Here it is, nice and tall, very beautiful, very easy to make. Yes, I did mess up. That was my fault for not paying attention, that I was putting the borders backwards. I do want to stand it next to me so you guys can see how tall it is, and it's almost to my waist. I want to say it's a little bit past my waist actually, so it's perfect if you guys are planning on having a party and it's somebody's birthday. These are so easy to make and so convenient to have at a party because they make your party decorations look beautiful. This is for my 17-year-old son's birthday, and I did make the number 7. If you guys are interested, go make sure you guys check out all my shorts. I did post the number 7 on there. But yeah, guys, that is it for the number. Now I'm just gonna use these flowers that I had in my little storage to decorate the number. You guys can decorate it however you guys like, depending on the theme that you're going for. And this is why it's a great idea to buy this on Amazon and DIY it, because if you do it yourself, you don't have to worry about it being somebody's rental and you not being able to add your own touch to the number. The marquee numbers are $19.99 on Amazon, but like I said, it's so worth it because I'm able to use glue. I'm able to poke holes through it. I can decorate it however I want, and I don't have to worry about anything. And I was going to rent a number for my son's party, but it was going to be $50, and I think it was each number for the whole day. I can have it up at my party, but I thought that was pretty expensive for a number rental. I don't know if I was just going to a person who was really expensive, and maybe there's some people out there who rent them for way less, but that's how much they were charging me, and they were not going to have any decorations. They were just going to be basic white marquee numbers. So this is why it's a good idea, guys. If you guys want to take my advice, it's better to buy than to rent. This is me working on the number 7 on the shorts that I talked to you guys about. I post these short videos on my channel as well, so if you guys are interested in going and checking those out. And this is how the number 7 turned out. I didn't mess up on this one, and it was super easy, super fast. And as you guys can see, I already have my number 1 made. So I did exactly what I just showed you guys to my number 7 like I did to my number 1, and then this is how they looked, and they turned out so pretty and so perfect together. I just wanted to include the shorts in this video just this one time so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I decorated them myself with my little flowers because it's for a Dia de los Muertos theme party. So here it is, number 17, guys. It turned out so beautiful. Before I close out this video, I also want to show you guys how my candy backdrop turned out. Look at this beauty. Here is my backdrop, and here are all my candies, and this is going to look beautiful outside along with all the decorations that I have been showing you guys in my videos. But yeah, guys, I'm loving the backdrop. I love the numbers. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think, and if you guys have any more ideas for a Dia de los Muertos theme party. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you like this video, stay tuned for more content. Thank you guys for watching. Adios, amigos.